Sean from Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio. Welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Alright, we have a GE top-load washer. The complaint is that they get snagged in any hot water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my control here for my water temperature, put it over to hot. I'm going to go ahead and turn the unit to a running position, hit the start button. I can hear the valve being energized. No water's coming out. Just going to put it to cold. Okay, we have cold coming. Go back to hot again. No water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut the water off here, disconnect my hot water hose, put it into the basket, and verify that I have water coming through the hose before we come to any conclusion. Alright, so I'm going to turn my hot water valve off, just like that. I'm going to go behind the washer now, and I'm going to remove the hot water line from the washer so I can put it into the tub and then turn it back on at the valve. Alright, so we'll get back here. So I have my hot water line. There's a lot of setup right here. So I'm going to go ahead and now turn this on while I'm holding this into the washer. And there's absolutely no water coming out right now. So I can go ahead and I'm going to disconnect the hose from the shutoff valve just to make sure we don't have a clogged hose for some reason. Chances of that happening are probably very slim, but I'd hate for him to tell him to call a plumber out and have it be a bad hose. My shutoff valve is off, so I'm just going to go ahead and do my best to get this drain out of the way. Get my pliers back here. We do have a screen at the end of this hose, so do my best at getting my hose out of here. So here's our line. We have a screen here. We'll see if that's the only problem or not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a cup, I'm going to put it here in front of this shutoff valve with no hose attached, turn it on, see if we have any water coming out. Alright, well, we definitely have water coming out, so must apparently have a issue with our hose. Alright, so we've cleaned out the hose here. We're going to reattach it and try to run water into our tub again. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put the end of the hose in the washer and turn it on. Have water, so I'm going to go ahead and hook this back up to the washer, and then we'll run another test cycle and see if it functions. So we'll go ahead and run this down to the valve. Alright, we're going to go ahead and turn it on, check for leaks. And both our shutoff valves and our inlet valve, no drips, no drops. Go ahead and it's on hot. We're going to go ahead and turn our washer on and see what happens. So obviously we have hot water coming through now. Close it and go back to cold. press the hot here. I'm going to peek again, make sure I don't have any leaks. Everything looks fine there. We're going to let it fill up, let it agitate, and make sure that the machine is going to function properly for the customer. Thank you for watching another quality in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.